Hey guys, it's Kendall, and today we're going to be doing something super fun. I know everybody's going to like it because everybody likes it in the normal life, I think. Probably. Maybe. I hope so. Before I tell you what this is, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so that you're updated on everything I post, what I do, and that fun stuff. So, are y'all ready to find out what this is? Drum roll, please. Let's see, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Oh wait, there it is. We're gonna play with... Wait, where'd this thing come from? We're gonna play with fidgets, it looks like. I can't wait. So, I have quite a few fidgets on your house. I don't know what you consider a lot of fidgets. But you have to watch till the end of this video, because at the end, did anybody wonder what, let's see, this is? Well, you're not going to find out until the end of the video. And then I'll show you what it is. And it'll be so fun. You have to see it. Okay? You ready? Let's find out my fidgets. Let's see. Oh, and I have another fidget too. But it is special, and it'll be at the end of the video, probably. Maybe, you know what, let's just do it now. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of my fidgets that I have here. I don't know, there's probably some others that are somewhere else in my house that I honestly probably don't know about. But these are some of the ones that I like to play with. Let's see, which one should we do first? This is hard, y'all. Wait a minute. Let's do biggest to smallest. It's as simple as that. So, the smallest fidget I have is a bicycle chain. So satisfying in my opinion. I have another one of these somewhere, but who knows where it is? So satisfying. So perfect. So, we'll put that in the scene pile. Let's see. My next smallest, gonna say, is what I wanted to save till the end of the video, then I realized it's really not that special. It's a putty, putty, whatever you call it. I'm pretty sure slime is more of the fidgety type of thing than putty is. But I don't have any slime, surprisingly, and I can't find glue to make it with. But we have tons of putty. Like tons of it. When I say tons, I mean tons. Okay, this is actually scented putty. This one is, they're all kinds, the ones we have are like kind of holiday scented. This one is Yule Log, I think. Yeah, Yule Log. This one's more like chocolate. But, yeah, pretty good. Okay, next one. Let's see, what do we got? I think it's gonna be this thing. Honestly, I don't know what it's called. I traded with my friend for a pineapple squishy I decorated that honestly I didn't like. It looked really bad in my opinion. So I got this from it, and it's like a little bell. But it's really cool. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it. I love it. This is probably, if I rated them, that one would be up at the top somewhere. Next one. Let's see. Let's do this one. It's another one of the squishies. Well, first one of the day, I think, that I have decorated. It's not super squishy, and I put this thing on it just because I wanted to. But I guess I can take it off if I want to, right? But it's kind of dirty right now. I don't know why. Like, I just kind of have it in my dresser thingy. I don't know. Well, that probably explains it. It's pretty dusty, musty, crusty, rusty, that kind of thing. Next would be this one. It's another one of my decorated squishies. It's like stormy, clear, stormy, clear. I'm gonna put a face on it. Maybe like happy face, sad face. That'd be fun, right? It's a lot better of a squishy than the lemon is. Like it squishes a lot better. I like it. Okay, we are halfway done. Sad face. And we have made it to this. It's like a poppet spinner thingy. Honestly, I don't know the correct terms for it. What color do you think I'm gonna hit? Yellow. Who guessed yellow? I did. I thought it was gonna be pink. No kidding, no. I don't know why I find these things so satisfying, but I love them. But isn't that what fidgets do? I mean, like it makes you question about why do you love them, but you just love them. I think I'm gonna sleep on that question.
Hi, this is Mason.
What? The wild chimpanzee.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow.
Wild chimpanzee.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Wait, guess.
Mason, bring it back. Mason. Fidget stealer. So, next, the love will come to. I love these things. My chinchilla Chili has a giant one. It's so fun. Next up is the classic. Honestly, this is one of the first fidgets I actually knew about. Except for the squishies. I have known about those for a while. In the putty, I guess. But like this is the first one of the actual like fidgets, I guess, that I've known about. It's the poppet. I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. First of all, it's rainbow and it's pineapple. Right? What can go wrong? Well, unless you're painting it. And it's squishy. But let's not go down that road. I love this poppet. It is textured. I don't know if you can tell, but it's textured and I love it. You know what? You need a little bit of poppet action. Who wants to see some poppet action? Okay, ready? Oh, it's two. I think that was plenty of this beautiful poppet. Okay, back to reality. And we have two fidgets left till the wait for that. But I also don't want this to end. It's so fun. We have 2 left. Okay, let's do this one. This one, it's not very, I don't know how I'm supposed to, video this one in action. It's a puzzle ball. You're supposed to mix all the colors up and everything, and then put them back. So how am I supposed to show that on camera? But I still love it. This one's really loose. I have a better one. But that sound. So awesome. I mean, love it. I think all fidgets kind of make almost like a sound, kind of like the poppets, the dimples, the bell, this thing. Except for the squishies and stuff like that. But then last but definitely not least, this is, I guess, the biggest one I have. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's something with an A, maybe? Honestly, not completely sure. But it is so fun. But it gets on my nerves sometimes because I get it and it's 3 pyramids in the thing though. And I can't get it out of that. It takes me, literally it took me a week last time. Drives me crazy. So I'm always so careful I don't get it to those dang pyramids. Oh, I bet I love this thing. Okay, are you ready? But first, before I show you this, you have to promise that if you trade this, make it a good trade. I mean, it drives me crazy when people don't make good trades. I'm like, are you insane? But let me make sure I have everything to make this. It requires 3 things, but each 3 thing is very important. It would not be anything without these 3 things. So, who's ready for this? Oh, there it is. Okay, so make sure before I show you this, subscribe, and comment down below what is your favorite fidget? You know, just curious. What's the most popular one? Poppets, I guess? Who knows? Okay, so, are you ready for this? It's gonna be awesome, I promise. Here we are. No round of applause? Oh well. So first step, and you're gonna love this one. The first step to this is you're just gonna feed the beads that I've already taken apart. It's a Mardi Gras necklace, so it would normally be like this, but they came apart. And I want to do something like this. This is what I'm doing. Going to fish them or feed them, whatever you call it, through our red balloon. It doesn't have to be red. I just like the look of the red balloon or the gold thingy. Not enough yet. And sometimes it helps to put air in it to just so you can just literally drop it down there. You can put as much in there as you want. You can put the whole thing if you'd like. Okay, so you have it exactly how you want it, right? So this is squishy kind of down here, like a fidget would. And then you got a little tail sticking out. Now, we're gonna get some string. I'm just gonna use some orange. You're gonna tie this real tight so that it does not come out. Because everybody knows how it feels for your fidget to break. That makes it sad. Okay, cut the edges off. And there you go. Who knows what makes this obsessive? Who knows how I came up with it? But I love it. I've made like 2 of them so far. One of my favorite things to do is pull this and the noise it makes. I love it. Okay. That's it for the day. Can't believe it, we're already done. I hope you liked this video. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell so that you know when I post new videos, and you can keep enjoying the life of Kindle with culinary tips, more fidgets, and crafting. I'll see you later. Bye!